Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use the timer and stopwatch on the Huawei Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just press the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10 and open the app drawer. Now to use the timer, just tap on timer and from here you can select any timer preset from here, just like that, and it will start the timer. Now you can play and pause the timer from here and you can reset it by tapping over here. Now, if you want to create a custom timer, just tap on custom and from here you can create a custom timer. Just like that. Now to use the stopwatch, just go back to the app drawer and select stopwatch. Now from here, just tap on the play button to start the stopwatch. Now you can tap on this icon and it will mark a time in the stopwatch, just like that. And you can tap on the pause button to pause the stopwatch. And if you tap on the reset icon, you will reset the stopwatch. And this is how you can use the timer and stopwatch on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.